Welcome back, everyone. Time to do another unboxing of another new Apple Watch. I just did the Series 6, now I'm doing the SE. Now, I actually bought this specific watch twice because the first batch that I bought on pre-order day, that's not coming until like 2 weeks from now. The iPad came in, but the Apple Watches didn't, so I had to re-buy the Apple Watch SE and the Series 6, which is so annoying, and I just got them. But I'm actually really excited about this watch because it doesn't seem like Apple is really skipping out on too much for this specific watch. Now, unboxing it, the pull tab is on the bottom, so I can go and pull tab from the bottom, go up top, and then pull it out like this. Now, this specific watch does have black lettering. The Apple Watch Series 6 has white lettering, so keep that in mind. Now, pulling it up from the top, and of course, we have to pull it from the bottom. So on the bottom, there are these little tabs we can go and pull up. And then we flip back to the front, and I guess we look at it like this, and then it should theoretically just come up just like so, and it kind of unboxes frontwards, but I always open it upside down, which is so funny. So this is pretty much how it's supposed to be, and of course we have the lettering and everything, and also the imaging here, which is really nice. Putting this to the side though, you can see we have the Apple Watch SE right in front of us, and we also have the watch bands in front of us too. Now, I don't have the solo bands. I pre-ordered that one with it, so that's probably why it's taking too long. But this one is the standard band, which I'm sure a lot of you guys have already seen, so I'll put that to the side and I'll unbox in a second. But this one, as you can see, is that Apple Watch SE. So pulling this up from the top, you can see, as I said before, I like the rigidness. This one does have it. So right here, there's like the rigidness, which feels really nice. And we have our Apple Watch SE to the left. Now this one, surprisingly, doesn't have the leather case that the standard Apple Watch usually comes with. So I guess they're doing some more cost-cutting measures. So this isn't as of a grand of an unboxing, if you will. You can go and take off the sticker right here, pull this out this way, and we have the Apple Watch SE right in front of us. And pulling it to the side and looking around, I mean, this thing feels extremely good. Feels literally just like the Apple Watch Series 6, which I think is probably the given. Turning it on though, let's go and see, and we'll put this on, and we'll go ahead and put it to the side for the time being. Now, unboxing the rest of it, you have the standard documentation right here, which I'm pretty used to. As you can see, you have the standard whatever, Apple Watch whatever. And you do have the Apple Watch charger, but this is not, the power brick included charger, and this is a USB Type A. I thought it was USB-C, but Apple is splitting their lineup even more. Some chargers, like their iPads and stuff, have USB-C. This one is USB-A or whatever it is, USB 3.0. But there is no power brick in here, which is totally okay. Apple did mention and state that they were going to do that, so it's totally okay. I'm totally okay with it. I have like 50,000 of those power bricks, so I don't need any more, but it will suck for people who don't have one. So that's that for the Apple Watch itself. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the band real quick. So as far as I know, these are the exact same bands on both devices. So whether you have a Series 6 or SE, they're the same. Now, pulling the bands out, it took me a second. As you can see, they pretty much are the same way as the other devices. So as you can see, they have the watch bands right here. Pulling this up and pulling this out, you will see that the bands are right here. Interchangeable, pretty much the exact same setup that we had on the previous Apple Watches too. So I'll throw these bands on in a second. And looking at the watch itself, I mean, it looks really good. I probably won't go super in depth in this video, but I'll be doing a ton of comparisons and everything. And looking around, I mean, it's almost exactly the same as my Series 6 that I just unboxed. I have a Series 2 right next to it. This is the 42mm, so keep that in mind. And you can see, again, there's some pretty big differences, but this is not that bad. This is the 40mm one for the SE, and they both look pretty good for the most part. This is a Series 3 right next to it, and you can see same exact thing kind of built around it. This is the biggest model of the Series 3, and this is the smallest model of this SE. And again, it's smaller in size, but the screens are kind of the same if I'm being honest. And this is the biggest size of the Apple Watch Series 4, and you can see again some pretty big differences. And if you want to go for the bigger model, this is kind of a good size comparison. If you have small hands or you want a smaller watch, this is a really good small watch for overall. But this size is really good. I like the bigger size, but that's really all I really wanted to hit on for the most part. I'll go ahead and connect it to my device and do a bunch of comparisons and everything. But I'm actually really excited to use this watch for sure. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really discount. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.